Hi everyone, welcome to the Global Village YouTube channel. Today we are explore about Azure Devops. So I'm going to search and Azure Devops Server is a Microsoft product that provides version control, reporting, requirements management, project management, automated builds and testing, release management capabilities. Simply, it covers the entire application life cycle and enable the DevOps capabilities. So you can create a free account using Azure Microsoft.com product DevOps screen, and you can get all these features with your free trial by clicking start free option here. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can log in using this, or if you are new to Microsoft or create a fresh account for your DevOps server, you can create new one. In my case, I already have a Azure DevOps, so I'm going to starting by creating an organization. So by clicking the create organization link, you can create it. So we can continue. I'm going to name this as the Global Village demo, and this is I'm going to Canada Central, and I think this one is SV6. I think it's created the Global Village demo organization. Then we can create a new project. I'm going to name this as the TGV TGV demo. So you can keep this as public. Then anyone on the internet can view your project. I'm going to create this as a private one, so nobody else can see our project. So we are created our Azure DevOps demo project, and it will enable a number of features here in left menu. So you can see there is a board. You can manage all of your task issues by using these boards, and there is a repos section, so you can clone repositories or import using URLs, and also there is a pipeline section, so you can build and deploy to target environments, automate your uh, continuous integration, continuous delivery and deployments, and there are test plans also here, artifacts and much more you can explore with your free tier. If your team with $5, you can use this free tier as your project lifecycle management tool. So I'm going to start by using a new work item. It's going to be a issue. I'm going to name this as pipeline CCD, and you can assign also a member in your team and add descriptions also here. I'm going to I have given it a pipeline for demo project and one file you can create. I'm going to save this. So I have clicked the boards and I got a pop-up like this. So Azure DevOps providing some information about Azure DevOps. So this is a pre-configured Kanban board so that can visualize our project work and highly customizable, and we can manage this by drag and drop for our tasks. So it this one give a great idea of this tool. And work item can track anything, open anything of the cards. You can invite the team members, and we can use sprints. Yeah, it's done. So we have our pipeline task here. So we can click and simply go to this. No identity is found. Eh, In this drop down, you can uh, use to assign someone for this task. Try the new Azure boards. Try it. Let's try it. Your boards hub is now on. You can turn off this feature by going to preview features. Okay. Now we can assign this someone. So I'm going to assign this for myself. Save and close. And I'm going to add a new item. Create in demo demo, demo app, and we can navigate to backlog. Okay, so it our two shows appear here in backlog. So Then we can also plan a sprint here. You can see. So you can simply drag and drop your task or issue to the sprint. I have moved it to current sprint, and so and also we can uh, move our items. So we can move this using to do or doing. So we have so I have moved a demo app creation task to doing status. For that we need a repository. In repository section you can import a repository from URL, or you can clone this into your machine and push your code directly to Azure Devops. So you can have several options for this. Visual Studio, there are much more, and I'm going to use Visual Studio Code. And clicking this is pop up a message to open your Visual Studio Code. It will be open our Visual Studio Code. Uh, for this, I have already so we have to provide approval to create our repository here. So I'm going to select our workspace as this is I have already created the simple .NET Core application using Visual Studio. So I'm going to this template. There it's a .NET Core template use project, and it will be ask Git it will ask your authentication for Git account. I think I have got some errors, so I'm going to directly push. So I'm going to directly push this to our Git. Let's initialize the repository. So then we can import our repository to Devops. Azure Devops. I think it will work quickly. If you are using that this feature, you have to log in to same Microsoft account for Azure DevOps and GitLab or GitHub, and also in Visual Studio Code or Visual Studio. So I have logged in different accounts for GitHub and Azure DevOps, so it not authorized. So now we can commit. We have initialized our uh, repository. Now we can commit this by giving a message and publish it. Web application 1. Demo. Okay. It's publishing, so I'm going to view that. Actually, this one is private, so I'm going to set it as public one, so we can directly access using the URL. So in danger zone, you have to change to public. Yes, I want to public. Okay, make this public. So you have to provide your password also here. Okay, our project is set it as public. Now we can access this by URL. So I'm going to use import a repository option for this and paste our URL, and it's a public repo and no need to provide authentication, I guess. Okay, it's processing. So it's imported our project which we are created using Visual Studio .NET Core template, and I have pushed using Visual Studio Code. And we can set up builds, create pipelines. Okay, okay. Thanks for watching.